Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here as we explore the exciting world of wooden crafts and stylish projects with profit potential. In today's video, we'll dive deep into creative ideas that you can turn into a thriving business. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned until the end for some exclusive tips and insights that you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Wooden crafts as a business. The resurgence of interest in handmade items has positioned wooden crafts as a profitable business opportunity. Consumers increasingly seek unique products that reflect individuality and sustainability, moving away from mass-produced items. This shift offers artisans the chance to create distinctive wooden crafts that meet market demand while allowing for personal expression in their work. Understanding the market demand. To capitalize on the wooden crafts market, it's crucial to understand what consumers are looking for. Current trends show a preference for eco-friendly materials and artisanal craftsmanship. Conducting market research through surveys, social media analysis, and competitor observation can provide insights into popular styles, colors, and product categories. Engaging with potential customers through focus groups can also unveil preferences that drive purchasing decisions. Identifying profitable wooden craft ideas. Identifying niches within the wooden crafts market can significantly impact profitability. Categories such as home decor, personalized gifts, and functional items like kitchenware often yield high demand. For instance, customizable items, e.g., engraved cutting boards, appeal to consumers seeking unique gifts. Seasonal products, such as holiday decorations, can also create additional revenue streams throughout the year. Sourcing quality materials. Sourcing high-quality materials is fundamental to producing attractive wooden crafts. Establishing relationships with local lumberyards or specialty wood suppliers can provide access to unique wood types. Additionally, considering reclaimed materials not only reduces costs, but also appeals to eco-conscious consumers. Crafters should prioritize sustainability in their sourcing practices, as this can enhance brand reputation and customer loyalty. Mastering basic woodworking skills. Skill mastery is essential for producing high-quality wooden crafts. Beginners should start with simple projects to build confidence and proficiency with tools. Joining local workshops or online courses can provide valuable hands-on experience. As skills develop, crafters can explore advanced techniques such as joinery, carving, and finishing, which can elevate the quality of their products and expand their offerings. Designing stylish projects. Design is vital in attracting customers to wooden crafts. Successful designs should reflect current trends while maintaining a timeless appeal. Utilizing software like C8E for planning and visualization can help crafters refine their designs before execution. Incorporating elements such as geometric patterns or mixed materials can create eye-catching products that stand out in a crowded market. Setting up a workspace. Creating an efficient workspace is crucial for productivity. This involves organizing tools and materials for easy access, ensuring safety measures are in place, and maintaining a clean environment. An optimized workspace allows for smoother workflow and can inspire creativity. Investing in proper lighting and storage solutions can further enhance the crafting experience, making it easier to produce high-quality work. Pricing strategies for profit. Establishing a pricing strategy that reflects the value of craftsmanship is essential. Crafters should calculate all costs involved, including materials, labor, overhead, and desired profit margin. Researching competitor prices can provide a benchmark, but it's also important to communicate the unique value of handmade items to justify higher prices. Offering tiered pricing for different levels of customization can cater to various customer segments. Marketing your wooden crafts. Effective marketing is essential for reaching a wider audience. Crafters should develop a comprehensive marketing strategy that utilizes social media, email newsletters, and content marketing. High-quality photography showcasing products in lifestyle settings can help attract potential buyers. Collaborating with influencers or bloggers in the home decor niche can also enhance visibility and credibility. Leveraging online sales platforms. Selling wooden crafts online opens up global market opportunities. Platforms like Etsy and Amazon Handmade cater specifically to handmade products and can provide access to a large customer base. Crafters should focus on optimizing their online stores with clear product descriptions, customer reviews, and professional photos. Understanding SEO, search engine optimization, can also enhance visibility in search results, driving more traffic to listings. Building a brand identity. A strong brand identity differentiates a business in the marketplace. This includes developing a compelling logo, cohesive branding across all platforms, and a consistent voice in marketing materials. Storytelling can be a powerful tool in branding, allowing crafters to share their inspiration and craftsmanship journey. A well-defined brand can foster emotional connections with customers, encouraging loyalty and repeat purchases. Customer engagement and feedback. Engaging with customers is essential for building relationships and understanding market needs. Utilizing social media to interact with followers, respond to inquiries, and showcase new products can create a community around the brand. Implementing feedback mechanisms, such as surveys or reviews, allows for continuous improvement and adaptation to customer preferences, enhancing overall satisfaction. Expanding product lines. As a business grows, exploring opportunities for product line expansion can open new revenue channels. Crafters should analyze sales data to identify popular products and consider introducing complementary items. Seasonal collections or limited edition items can create urgency and encourage purchases. Collaborating with other artisans for co-branded products can also attract a broader audience. Financial management for craftsmen. Effective financial management is crucial for sustaining a successful business. Crafters should use accounting software to track income, expenses, and inventory. Establishing a budget for materials and marketing can help maintain profitability. Regularly reviewing financial statements allows crafters to identify trends, plan for future investments, and make informed business decisions. The future of wooden crafts. The future of wooden crafts looks promising as consumers continue to value handmade, sustainable products. By focusing on stylish designs, quality craftsmanship, and effective marketing strategies, artisans can tap into a lucrative market. Emphasizing sustainability and personalization will not only attract customers, but also foster long-term loyalty. As the demand for unique wooden items grows, those who adapt and innovate will thrive in this vibrant industry. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content and found it inspiring. If you did, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and give us a like. It really helps us out. Your support means a lot to us, and we can't wait to share more exciting projects and ideas with you in the future. See you next time.